Hi, meet me again with Coach Shasha. Today I'm with our A4S headquarters in Bangkok. This is our reward. You can see we have like agriculture product reward, and this side we have like health product reward. Let's take a look inside. Here we have a lot of our African friends come to our headquarters because we have a seminar in Thailand and with a successful leader come from Nigeria, Togo, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, many countries from Africa come to visit our headquarters in Thailand. This is our Hall of Fame. We celebrate our successful leader. So we have a lot of Thai people and African people successful together. This is another Hall of Fame because we have a lot of successful people. Let me show you. We have the highest pin and two of our highest pin from Africa. And we also have like vice president from Africa too. In the headquarters, we also have the seminar room so we can teach our downline to success in the business.
Santé plus vite parce qu'ils sont déjà plus petites. La plus
These are our products we sell in Thailand. This is the cashier corner. Here they are the successful people, the highest pin in the business. Senior vice president. We have senior vice president from Thailand, and African Cote d'Ivoire. Africans Cote d'Ivoire. So you can see our friends from Africans took around 2 to 3 years to be the highest pin in the business so fast. So the next people who be the successful leader could be you. For anyone who want to join the business, please feel free to contact me anything, anytime, whatever you want to know about the business. I can be your supporter to help you success together in the business.